Welcome. In this video I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter on this 2021 Subaru Outback. So the air filter is behind the glove box. So this is the filter I'll be using. It's an EP Auto CP157. And if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these on Amazon, I'll put a link to this in the description. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So first thing we're going to do is open the glove box. This has already been emptied out, but you'll need to empty everything out of it. Then we have this little shock absorber. You're going to press in on it and pull it out like so. We just kind of lift it up and out of the way. Now we're going to come in here on the right side, and you can see there's a little ear there, and I'm going to pull in on the side of the glove box to open it. So I'll pull in here. That's kind of hard to show. And I'm kind of pulling down at the same time, like that. So that is released, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. There we go. It's a little easier to do when you're not holding a camera. So here we're going to squeeze in, pinch these little clips here, and pull out. And take that door off. And here's the filter. Pull that out. Now you want to kind of pull down first before you pull it out. So you'll see this as an arrow pointing up here on the old filter. The new one, it's on the side. So the old filter says to mount this filter up. The new one says airflow is down. So these are going to be opposite. So you want airflow down. That being said, if you put it in upside down, I don't think it's going to really affect it that much. So stick this in. Press it up into place like that. Put the little door back in place. Like so. The glove box came off the hinge here. So in this kind of open position, we'll stick it back on there. Like so. And you want it to have easy hinging, and then we'll just kind of press it back up into place. You can kind of jam it a little bit, like so. Then we'll take the shock and place it on, and we're good to go. So that's replacing the air filter on a 2021 Subaru Outback. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.